Warren Township, innovate, educate, and inspire. Today's training, we're going to be going over how to place an ebook on hold, create a wish list, and rating a book that you have read. So first we need to get to our website. You can either type in the URL at ecollections.ndpl.org, or you can go down on the home page to popular links, click on eCollection, and then from here, depending on the default that comes up, you can either click kids or teens. And then from here, as you're looking for books, if you are scrolling down and you find a book that looks really good, but you didn't want to check it out for this weekend. It's one that you really don't want to read this weekend, but you maybe want to read it another time. You can create something called a wish list. Your wish list is kept track of up here on your account. If you click your down arrow, you have a hold sections and a wish list section. And so if you have a particular book that looks good, but you want to read it at another time, and so you can just click this plus this little banner sign, and it will add it to your wish list. So if I click my down arrow key and I click on wish list, then you'll find this particular book on the wish list. Now I had added another one too, but then I decide, no, I really don't want this one anymore. So I can just click remove title, and then it's gone. I'm going to keep this one on because I want to check that one out at another time. And when I'm ready, I can just go to that wish list, click borrow, and it will then go to my loans page where I have books that are out. All right, so let's go back to our section that we're looking at. And let's talk about maybe placing things on hold, because there are times when there are books that are very popular and there is a wait list. One of those is the Wimpy Kids series. They are always out. So if you notice, there's a wait list for all of them except for Hard Luck. So this one I would be able to borrow right away. But all the other ones I would need to place a hold on, which you are welcome to do. And then you just get in a queue or a line. And when you are next in line, then it automatically gets checked out to you. So let's say I want to check out or place a hold on The Last Straw. I can just click place hold. And then I fill out this form. And remember, your email address is your username. And then at warren.k12.in.us. Of course, you're not T. Martin because you're not me. So make sure you put your username here at warren.k12.in.us, and then confirm the email address. This just tells you when things are going to, or it will alert you via email when the book comes up in your time for when it's your turn. So you put in your hold, and then you say place hold. And then it says we'll send you an email when it's ready to be checked out for you. So now I have The Last Straw on there. And then it says, well, do you want to borrow something now? And it gives you some options that are similar that possibly you might be interested in accordance to what you had just placed on hold. So from there, you can go back to my account, go into holds, and you'll notice that The Last Straw is now here. Now, if I got the book from the main library, a hard copy, and I don't need this ebook any longer, I can remove it. I can edit my email in case I accidentally put the wrong email in there. Or I can just suspend the hold and put it off to be put to the back of the queue. I'm just going to go ahead and remove it. It will cue me to ask if that's exactly what I wanted to do. And then I say yes. So now I will not have anything under the holds. So that's how you hold, and that's how you create a wish list. Another thing you can do is rate a book. After you've read a book, here's The Wonderful Wizard of Oz, a classic. You can actually rate that book too. So here are the stars. 1 being I didn't like it at all. 2 stars being it was okay. 3, neither liked it or disliked it. 4, you liked it. And all the way up to number 5 star, if I click that one, it means that you really, really liked it. So after you read a book, or if you start reading a book and decide it's just not for you, you can star rate it, and it will register for other people to see too. And I think that's it. I think those are the three things I wanted to cover: hold, wish list, and rating a book. And other than that, happy reading.